Hi everyone, my name is Nikita and this is my feedback about Teams and Meghla's hosted Product Discovery Bootcamp. Well, first of all, I am selling on Amazon US for almost 2 years now. I have one product that is doing about 20 to 30 units per day, and I've finished free courses along the way, and I've heard about different methods. Now, what I want to say about Teams method, it's like going completely the opposite direction of where everybody else are going. And this is the best part. You see, knowing techniques that majority of people doesn't know about gives you a competitive advantage. You might find opportunities where everybody else might have skipped. Second thing that I like about Teams methods, Teams techniques, is that they seem less risky. It's never zero risk, but they really seem less risky and not so hard as the usual methods that we got used to. It's like you can go the hard way or you can go the easier way. It's never easy, but you can go easier way. There is a technique that allows you to find opportunities that when you find them, you see it should really work. You feel much more confident that this is gonna work. Now the method is the same, I could say it's pretty similar to what we saw in Project X. However, I started to understand it only on the second day, only on the second session. I thought I got the idea. I started trying to find a product myself. It didn't work. So always it was something that didn't work. I already began to become frustrated that this doesn't work for me. And only on the second day I understood the essence. I understood each step. It has to click in your head. Otherwise it doesn't work. You will still be doing it wrong. And in Project X, it's a good start, but for me, personally, I thought that Project X is enough. It's not. That's what I really think. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just I just wanted to make this video. I've never made videos before, by the way. So I'm just doing this because I want to say thank you, team. Thank you, Meghla, for doing this. It was so much worth it. I enjoyed it so much, and I believe this is gonna help me reach my goals and get where I wanted to be all the time. I also want to mention the day number 3, which was about sourcing, and I've learned a lot. Well, again, I'm selling for about 2 years, and I learned some really good, important things that I did not know about. And team, I sent you a Facebook message a few days ago. I'm sure you haven't seen it. Well, now you might reply.